Well, hello, Reigning One. This is Shelita Williams, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some vegan condiments, some vegan macadamia nut cheese, some vegan macadamia nut sour cream, and some guacamole, my favorite. Everything is easy to make. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Okay, we're going to start off with our macadamia nut cheese. I just added my water, some lemon juice, some salt, and some apple cider vinegar, some rinsed and drained and soaked macadamia nuts. Raw is better, but I couldn't get raw. I'm only making a half a portion, but I recommend that you make a full portion because it's easier to get a smooth texture. Sorry, I don't have a picture for that, but onto the macadamia nut cheese. My water, of course. I have the macadamia nuts already in the Vitamixer. Lemon juice, of course, lots of lemon juice. I like more than what I'm going to tell you. I usually double what I tell you in a recipe, but you taste it and go as you please. So that was some cayenne pepper, and then this is a ton of smoked paprika, which is an optional ingredient, but I love it. And then chili powder, salt, and some Dijon mustard. And I don't really measure anymore because I've been making this like forever. I usually use cashews, but like I said, or maybe I didn't say, the keto diet is, I'm forgetting something. So I'm forgetting two things actually, some turmeric, and then I'm going to also add some more water because it's kind of thick. But anyway, I was saying with the keto diet and just in general health, macadamia nuts are overall very healthy, more healthier than cashews, which is actually a fruit, not a nut. And so it's lower in carbs as well. So that's why I'm using it. But to be honest with you, cashew cheese does taste better. This is good though. This is really good. So I've added my other ingredient that I forgot, which was some nutritional yeast. And there we have it, our cheese. It's going to last a while. You can use this in several different recipes. I put it on burgers and yeah. Anyway, onto the guacamole. I used about 4 guacamoles. This is another thing that I don't really measure, but I'm going to give you to the best of my ability measurements. But then once you mix everything up, you just go ahead and taste. So for the 4 guacamoles, I'm going to use about 1/4 of a cup of onions, and I just use a whole bushel or bunch of cilantro. And don't forget, do not take knife skills from me, okay? Because I don't have any. And then I'm just going to add some salt to this and some lemon juice. And that's pretty much it. After I add, of course, my cilantro that I chopped up. And then I think this is about a half of a large onion, so I'm only using half of the onion. And then tons of lemon juice. So I'm going to say that this is about 2 small lemons. If you have lime would actually even go better. So, and then you just, girl, work your little heart out by, and you can do this to your desired consistency. Just press, mix it all together, girl. And there you go. Here is your guacamole. It's delicious. So this is the other recipe that I'll post a link to that I was making these condiments for. But yeah, there you go. Hey, Reigning One. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. I actually took, I had to break up a video that I did as far as what I eat in a day on keto vegan detox video, and I had so many recipes that I took out this portion and made a separate video. So if you're interested in seeing that video, then you can click the link up here not out the window, but you see a link up there. And if you did like the video, please comment, like, subscribe, all those things. Follow me on the Instagram. All the links to the recipes will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for reigning, and don't forget to live your dreams, achieve your goals, and reign in health and fitness. Bye-bye.